Hello, this is Sue Ann Brightson, and I'm a solutions consultant with Beyond 20. Today I'll be showing you how to create an email that gets sent on a monthly basis based on a scheduled job, and it will contain information regarding computer CIs that have a warranty expiration from the beginning of this month on through 6 months. That'll allow the team that does the equipment replacements enough time to plan for the replacement of those items. So we'll start today by creating a search, and we're in our Association of Config Computer, and we'll just name our search warranty expiration current month plus 6, and we will select a couple different fields here. The first one we want to select is to make sure that our configuration item type name equals config computer. The second will be the status is not equal to retired, since we wouldn't want to send an email to somebody about a retired asset. And then we're going to add in the warranty expiration date is not empty. And the last item we're going to add is actually going to contain some expressions, and that is the warranty expiration date is going to be less or equal to, and we'll create a new expression for the 6 months out. And this is going to be a date time, and it will be current month plus 6 months. And for a current month, because we want to select the first day of the month, let's say today was the 15th, but we actually want it to show from the first day of the month, we'll create a new custom expression for that. Again, a date time. And that will be system function of current date time 0 to first of month. And now for this, which is current date time to first of month, we'll say 6 months out from there as well. So that is our current month plus 6 months. We'll save that and just double check our search to make sure it's working. And we do have 3 assets that have an expiration within the next 6 months. So then we will go and create a 1-step to send the email. And that 1-step, we'll just give that a name. Make sure I typed all that correctly. And the first step that we're going to do is update variables and stored values. We're going to create a variable. We're going to call it var CI data. And the value for that will be a data type of text. And we're going to grab that variable that we're creating. Plus we're going to add additional fields that will show up in the email. So our warranty expiration, and we want to make sure that we do a modifier on that so that the date actually is short date format. Next will be our asset tag. I'm going to add in the model. And for this, I actually want to make sure, because some people may or may not have a model listed. It depends on your system, but I'm going to go ahead and create an expression, and that is going to be a case expression, and it says if the model is empty, then we're going to, instead of putting any information in there, we'll just put an NA, else we'll put in the model information. And just so we know where this device is located, we will add our primary user as well. Again, may not be assigned to a primary user depending on where what state the asset is in. So we'll do another case and select the primary user info. If the full name is empty, we'll put NA. Otherwise, we'll put in the primary user full name. All right. One thing that's very important on this to remember is we do have to set a condition that it is searching a specific group, and it's looking for that search that we created earlier in the video. So the warranty expiration is current month plus 6 months. So now that we have our search criteria, our variables set, we're actually going to create a post step, and that post step is going to send the email. We want to send this email to a team, and that is the IT equipment replacement team. And we will just give it a subject of computer CI warranty expiration report. And the content of this report, or email I should say, will contain the VAR CI data. And actually, let me add a title here so people know what that is. And select OK. I'm going to run that. Oh, actually, one last thing in that email, just so we can test and make sure that it's going to run correctly, is we're going to select on the email, let user edit email before sending. That way we can do a test on it. So I'll run that, and this is the email that will get sent out to the IT equipment replacement team. The last thing we need to do is actually set up our scheduled job. So if we go into our admin client and go to scheduling and edit schedule, we're going to add a new item, and we'll just call this monthly report computer. And our schedule, we will do recurring. We can send this anytime we want. Let's just say 9 a.m. daily, and 9 a.m. monthly, no end date. And it will be an action of a one step, and that one step is in our big computer, and computer CI expiration. So we can save this, and we can test it. And now we can see the test is complete, and it was run successfully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the information useful. If you'd like to see more useful videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beyond 20 LLC, or feel free to visit our website at www.beyond20.com.